Chicken and street corn bowls that hit every craving. In a bowl, combine the chicken, olive oil, lime juice, and taco seasoning. Marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. Heat a grill pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken and cook for 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on thickness, until fully cooked. In a bowl, mix the yogurt, lime juice, chili powder, cumin, and paprika. Toss to combine. Taste and season if necessary. Assemble your bowls with cooked cauliflower rice, sliced chicken, corn, black beans, avocado, cotija cheese, dressing, and fresh cilantro.